Hi, good afternoon, everyone. I am going to discuss OOPS concept with example in our Java. OOPS is an object-oriented programming. If you want to say as an program is an object programming, and it has to be satisfied abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. So, if you go with writing the code using an this concept, we have an readability and reusability of the Java program is a more effective way we can utilize it by using this concept. This concept aim is to implement real-world entities using an, Java programs. So today, and I'm going to explain one by one with the example. So inheritance. If you write any class of a program, each and every class, so by default, if you're not extended by any class, by default, superclass is object class, so that we can achieve by the inheritance. If you have an A class, it has an M1, M2 method. It is extended by the B, and using the B class, we can achieve the reusability of the code by using an inheritance. How we can achieve by using, we can write here. Now I have one class A and also class B. Okay, class A the M1 M2 method I'm writing. Public void M1. So that's why is tr. So to make it twisted. Similarly, I'm going to write one more method M2, and I'm using just to get it. So now B class extends A. In this we have one M3, M4 we have. Now I'm writing a main test. Using this A equal to new of A. Using this I will get the A dot M1. You can only call M1 M2 method. We can't call the other method. And also A we can use it to call other methods like so whichever the object class method also we can call as a superclass. That way we can have the reusability. So using this I can get the sums of M1 M2 by I have created object of B equal to new of B basis. When I call the B dot, you have an accessibility of the parent and child methods also. So we can call them one, and by using these we can achieve the M2 method. We can call it M3. You know. For using inherited basis, we will get the inherited we are achieving. That way we can achieve by the inheritance reusability. So extending the superclass feature to subclass by using inheritance. That is what you can explain to the interviewer when you are asking how we can achieve by the inheritance. Coming to the next point, encapsulation. So encapsulation we can achieve through like I have one like a person class. The person class have the different properties like class of person class has a person ID, the first name and last name based on the accessibility, like the private basis. We can't access outside the class, the protected, so that we can get once I get an object, we can hide the accessibility by the implemented class. So that way we can achieve by the we have one person class. Now I'm going to create by segregated methods for this class. And also I'm creating the constructor source generate constructor is in field. That way we have created. Now I'm going to create by person p equal to new person, passing the Raj Ravan age is 25. So using this person object, I have created an object of person. Person object created. So using this person, we can call the methods of the get of this thing only. Like name field we can't access directly as in private field. So we have an accessibility basis. We can text it by using an encapsulation. We can hide the private data. Once I create an object of a person, let's take an example. We have private type properties, public and protected. Once I create an object, all content will get as in capsule. We can hide the private data. Even though we are not able to access the whole of the data, right, which is there in the private type variable, everything will be in the person object. But we can't access those private data as an accessibility basis that we can achieve with the encapsulation. And we can achieve by the other things like abstraction. We can achieve through interfaces and abstract classes. Like I have one created by the um, like I have one service and DO, like I have, so I have one created like so person service. This is the class of person service. I am here. I will go with the refactor rename. Again here. So this is there, and I'm going to define by the person interface. It has an person interface. How we can go new and interface. I have person. So person has the like I have one methods like public get string get name is a method. It will take the like say hello to the string which is passed to the name. So this is the method. This I want to make it as a person. In fact, I want to do the proper name person service. So I have created the person service with abstract method. So when you go and implement person service, will force to implement the all the method which is defined, right? Add an implemented method. So based on the things, I am calling external or something. Welcome to. So this is the thing, and I am using like I have one person service object. Person service equal to new person service enter. So I got in the object. I don't know how they implemented using this, and I'm passing the. I'll get the response by the say hello, right? So passing the Kumar. This time I'm saying like Kumar. So we'll get the response. We'll get the response by welcome to Kumar. If you pass it as a Raj, so I don't know how they implement it internally. I get the response based on the input basis. So that way we can achieve by the can achieve the abstraction, and also we can go with the best example is I have a list is interfaces. It get implemented by the array list and linked list. I have one method and it will be taking as an list type of based on the array list object you have created and pass it to the list to the method. By using an list object, we can get the retrieval is faster. Same method I am using, but I am passing the linked list object as a parameter to the same method. We'll get retrieval is faster. So based on the data we are passing without knowing how they implemented, we'll get the abstraction. So that we can achieve by this. In polymorphism, we can achieve through overloading and overriding. So how we can achieve is we can achieve by using overloading and overriding. So how I can achieve this, and I have one I can go with the parent and child. I haven't created the class parent, and it has a two method public int add of int a and int b. So now I have this written by a plus b, and I'm using same add passing the two strings. I'll get the return type as string. So we'll get the base the object and the compile time it will be decided which method needs to be called. And I have one public void say hello space tr. Now I have this and I am going to create a child extends of parent, and I have say hello I have overridden, and I'm going to what I'm going to do as well as tr. So now you can see here I have created and I have overridden the one of the method is say hello, rest of the things I didn't overridden. Now I'm going to create an object of parent p equal to new of parent p dot, and I'm going to specify sys out p dot add of 10 comma 12 22 will getting, and I'm going to same add method passing the string in this case. We'll get the two strings I am passing. Now, and I'm also say that say hello. And I'm getting the 22 and hello word parent say hello message. So I'm using same p only and p equal to new of child. Same methods I'm calling in this case, but in this case is we'll get the message of 22 hello, but child say. So we are achieving the runtime behavior based on the runtime object we got created object, so that we can achieve by the runtime behavior. So this is the way we can get explained to the interviewer. If you're clear about, and we can do some kind of practice here so that we'll get the more clarity. Okay, if you like it, please share it, subscribe it. Thank you all.